Hello children, welcome back to another video. In the previous videos we have seen about conductors and insulators. Now in this video we'll see what is an electric circuit. An electric circuit is a path or line through which an electric current flows. The path may be a closed path joined at both ends, making it as a loop. A closed circuit makes electric current flow possible. It may also be an open circuit where the electron flow is cut short because the path is broken. So if we break this circuit, it will become a open circuit. An open circuit does not allow electrical current to flow. For example, if there is a bridge and it is broken in between, you cannot travel across the bridge. Same way, electricity won't flow through a circuit if the circuit is open. Below is a basic set of symbols that you may find on a circuit diagram. This is the symbol for an open switch, closed switch, ammeter, buzzer, motor, cell, battery, bulb, and wires. It is very important to know the basic parts of a simple circuit and the symbols that relate to them. A simple circuit has a conductor, a switch, a load, and a power source. Here are the functions of each parts. Conductors. These are usually copper wires with no insulation. They make the path through which the electricity flows. One piece of the wire connects the current from the power source to the load. The other connects the load back to the power. That is why we have copper wire insulated with a plastic. It is more reasonable in price, and all the appliances at home is having copper wire. Next is switch. The switch is simply a small gap in the conductor where you can close or open the circuit. When the switch is closed, the circuit is closed and electricity flows. The load. The load is a small light bulb or buzzer that lights when the circuit is turned on. The load, also known as a resistor. The power. Next is the cell. The power source is a cell. Here in this diagram, it is important to draw a circuit with clean straight lines. Avoid realistic sketches. So I cannot draw my circuit like this. Instead, my circuit should be more neat and tidier, and using the symbol like this is more understandable by the larger crowd. So it is important to know that a circuit can have more than the basic compounds in the diagram. Here I have shown, for example, a battery and a bulb, but you can add more batteries or two or more bulbs in a circuit.